Now here's the forecast for selected fault watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Valparaiso and surrounding communities. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. For the rest of today, partly cloudy and becoming mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms around the evening. Highs in the upper 90s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here we go. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Message?
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number
Oh,
596,
unrecognized
effective
watch
until
and
7 p.m.
message.
Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties of Illinois: Cook, DeKalb, DePage,
Uh-oh.
Grundy,